We've got a VoIP phone that is not powering up at all, so we're doing some troubleshooting. But I'd show you some of the basic steps that I use to go through troubleshooting on this. First thing you want to make sure of is that you are plugging the wall jack into the internet port on these phones. The PC port is for a pass-through. If the phone doesn't power up at all, then you need to test your cable. When I tested my cable, it showed open. It means it is not plugged into anything. If this said short, that would tell me it was plugged into a switch somewhere, but it says open. So now I have to trace out the cabling and see if I can find it. I've got my tone trace set. You either need to plug in your tone trace clip directly into the wall, or if you need to plug into a cable, then you need an RJ45 coupler. We've got our tone going. We're going to turn on our sniffer. I'm going to listen for tone and see if we get anything. Now, the wall plate was marked 6V1. If I look at the patch panel, I've got 6Ds, and they changed to 9s. Now, I did tone just to make sure that I'm not getting any sound on any of these ports. I found these 110 blocks over on the wall, and I noticed that some of these are actually going over to the switch already. It looks like they have upgraded off of their old Avaya digital phone system and converted to VoIP, and they're just using the existing wiring. My jack was labeled 6V1, so I've got 6V1 here. Once that tone changes to that faster tone, you know you're really on the right one. Once I've identified my cable, the final step is to do a cable test on it. This will tell you 100% that you are on the right cable, and it will tell you if the cable is good. I got a pass, so I know my cable is the right cable and it's good. All I should have to do now is cross-connect from this port over to the switch, and we should be good. Right, so I brought the cable through just like the other cables and plugged it into the switch. Now we're ready to test and see if it works on the phone. Now we got a phone powering up. Using these 110 blocks to carry signal to a VoIP system is not really recommended, but my job is not to reinvent the wheel here. It is to just get these up and running, and since there's already several existing phones running this way, that's the way I'm going to run it.
If you got value out of this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you're informed every time I upload something new. Check out my website at fieldtechacademy.com. I have a lot of downloads available for those of you who are on Field Nation and WorkMarket to help you flesh out your profile and make them stronger. I also offer one-on-one coaching. If you need a little bit of help to kind of get to the next level in your independent field tech journey, then I'm here to help. I also have a client list on my website that is available. Most everybody knows about Field Nation and WorkMarket, but there are a lot of clients out there with whom you can go direct. They will call you and email you before anybody else to give you an opportunity to do service calls. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.